Assessment of hand function during the period of 3 months after surgical intervention for unstable metacarpal and phalangeal fractures, a comparison between wide-awake local anesthesia no toniquet, Valant, versus Beers block. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background: hand fractures are a common injury in the emergency department. And the majority of these are stable injuries that can be treated conservatively with excellent functional results. When respective injuries are characterized as unstable, surgical reduction and stabilization are necessary. The main purpose of surgical treatment of unstable hand fractures, metacarpal phalangeal, is early mobilization to enhance hand functionality and to avoid stiffness functional incompetence. Generally, these operations are conducted under regional or general anesthesia to avoid pain and toniquet for bloodless surgical fields. Wide-awake local anesthesia no toniquet, WALANT, procedure is described as local injection of anesthetic agent and epinephrine without toniquet application, with scope to allow local anesthesia without other sedation and at the same time hemostasis. Aim: the purpose of the study is to compare the functional assessment of the hand function during a period of 3 months after surgical intervention for unstable metacarpal and phalangeal fractures under WALANT versus Beers block. Materials and methods. Between May 2021 to October 2022, 43 patients with unstable metacarpal and phalangeal fractures underwent open reduction and internal fixation, 21 cases with Beers block, BB, anesthesia and the rest with WALANT technique. Metacarpal fractures appeared in 29 cases and phalangeal fractures in 14 patients. Patients were operated on within the first week of the injury. According to implants, they employed locking plates, screws and Kirschner wires in 2 groups. In both groups, examination with a C-arm intensifier was performed to check the final osteosynthesis and screw sizes. A standard rehabilitation protocol program from the first post-operative day was applied in all patients starting from adjacent joints. Patients were trained to follow a personalized home-based daily exercise program to increase the range of movement and enhance muscle strength and grip strength in a later phase. The mean Quick DAS-8 score and a Likert type of scale regarding satisfaction, 3 months after the operation were measured. Results: at 3 months post-operatively, Quick Dash score is better in the WALANT group while patients' satisfaction does not differ between the 2 groups. In the WALANT group, the immediate post-operative median VA score appeared to out of 10, while in the Beers block group appeared to be 6 out of 10. Patients who underwent the WALANT technique were discharged on the same day after the operation, while the patients with regional anesthesia were the next post-operative day. The mean duration of analgesic use was shorter in the WALANT group, to 3 days, than in the BB group, 5-7 days. Conclusion: unstable metacarpal or phalangeal fractures are common injuries with the main treatment to be open or close reduction and internal fixations with locking plate or Kirschner wires. Objective of surgical treatment of unstable hand fractures, metacarpal phalangeal, is early mobilization and enhanced hand functionality to avoid stiffness and tendon adhesions. Wide-awake local anesthesia no toniquet technique is an alternative sedative procedure which immediately offers post-operative numerous advantages. Low-cost technique, no complication from toniquet, decreased sensation of intra or post-operative pain compared with Beers block anesthesia. Based on our results, it was concluded that the WALANT technique offers many benefits in the surgical treatment of hand fractures and is suggested as the first choice anesthesiologist procedure. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.